Today's video is gonna be about me trying to start up my car. I was down for 4 days. It wasn't starting. I found out what it was. I thought it was the battery. It maybe was, but I was on the wrong map, basically. I was on the 91 map. That's what messed me up. The day I started it, it was the day of my club car meet, and I started it like 10 minutes before the car meet. So I have some clips of me going to the car meet and revving it. So check it out. Hope you enjoy the video. A tip from me, man, is to start your car, because I haven't started it in a couple of days, maybe a week, and it's not starting on me. And it's been raining, it's been super cold, so this E85 starts to be so hard. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna probably click or something. Let's see. Could be the terminal. Look how dirty it is. Does anybody know how to get rid of that stuff? I just want to get my car running all good, but it can't happen. All that corrosion. I'm trying to get rid of all of it. Sheesh, do I have to get a new one of those? Alright, let's try this. Why is my hoodie so long? Let's try this. I pops did this before. See now. Ooh. That corrosion. I'll drink some of it later. Stick my finger in there. Make sure you clean everything. Everything pretty good. That's how dirty it was. Drop down there, but I don't think that matters. My bad if the angle is so bad, guys. I'll have to flip the camera. Part 2 after the Coke. I think it's charging now. I'm on the way to go get see if Auto Park got my parts, but probably not. I'm probably gonna have to order it online, and then I might miss the meet tomorrow unless I can clean that shit, but I don't know, who knows. Alright, peace. I kinda want some fruit. Look, right now we're gonna take out the wheels and put on the new wheels and see how it goes. This with the new map, let's see. Look at bad guy! Look at bad guy! Look at bad guy! Big bad guy! No!
I don't wreck my shit. Oh! Wow, I the last one, brother. I need a truck. Look at my logo. That one? Wait, where? Oh shit. See if I go around, I'll park next to you. I just want to show people the tires. Is this Victor? Oh, no, I thought it was Victor. This is probably Bayer or Kermit. Damn, I need a truck.